Hey everyone, so today I am going to be reviewing the BH Cosmetics and Daisy Marquis palette. I picked this up when it first launched because, I mean, these shades are beautiful. I saw the green specifically and I was like, I need to try this. I have used BH Cosmetics shadows in the past, but I personally have found better formula options like ColourPop, which is still affordable, but I decided I wanted to try this and I'm honestly so happy I did. The shades are great. I used this palette to do my eye look today. I really love this green. It's super pigmented. You don't need to wet it for it to be poppin'. It's beautiful. Mattes blend beautifully. My only issue with this palette at all is that Flower was a bit chalky and so was Dolce. I've never really dealt with chalky eyeshadows, but these can be chalky, so keep that in mind. But I do really love the formula and I honestly am so excited for this palette. It retails like 23 bucks on BH's website, which I think is a good deal. It comes with a mirror, and the, I guess, cool thing they did was they made it so that you can like do this with it. My only thing is that this palette is very bulky, and I appreciate that they did the magnetic mirror and stuff, but personally I think it's just kind of lame because it's just so bulky. So I really don't like bulky palettes. My only con is that two of the mattes are a little chalky and it's bulky, but honestly for the price it's really good. And I mean, the formula is amazing. All the other shades worked perfectly. I also picked up the new BH Festival palette, so I will review that as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.